friends, how are you? Who is back? I was thinking why I was making this video. So I was thinking that making this video would be a wonderful. So I was thinking that what should we make? So let's make a Tux Paint drawing, okay? Don't you know Tux Paint? It is just simple. It is like a game also, but there is some studies also, but it's based on computer. So let's do Tux Paint. If you don't know Tux Paint, you can just type it in Google. You can download it in computer. In phones, there are no like that. Okay, in computers, desktops, you can get it. Now let me open it. I'm opening it in full screen. As you can see, it's loading. Now this is my I saved this because it's nice. Can you see this magic? Wow, it's nice. I only made it, but I used magic tools for that. First, let me show you my all drawings that I've made. You like them all. This is chess. This is some hard, but if you, I'll show you like that. Rainbows, hearts. It's all like that. This I didn't know how to make. Just I clicked somewhere and it came. I don't know. So let us make a new drawing. So here's all the tools, text. You can add everything. Here will be new. So, if you want to show someone that I have made a magic, do you want to see? You can just do a thing. See, this is all the things. Like this only I made this one. Sorry, but I wanted to make. But inside that, I only made. Okay, don't. See, these all examples are there. Okay. If you click on that, that will come. Like if I click on the sleeve, it is wonderful, but I don't like that. I'm not doing that. Okay, so let's make a new one. A white blank page. Now let me write my name first. So here I select a text tool. You can select the curves, how to. So I'll write my name first. Now it's done. Now I kept it here. Now select any tool. Now it will be saved like that. You can change the color also of your tool. Okay. Let's see if I can change it. No, it can't. The things can be unmade. Now I'll show you some magical things. First, let's learn these all. Paint means you can paint things. Let me draw tree so that you can see. Here you can select all the things. Mostly I like this one. See, it comes like this. I love this. See the pattern. See the pattern how it is. So let me show you another. This is like hole. And now let's make the drawing. By undoing, you can do the things that you have done. Now let me draw the tree. Now you can fill it like this. See, I didn't leave any blanks or else it would come out whole the drawing. And now let me select the brown. These type of mistakes happen. Now fill. We'll fill the drawing with what color? So let's select the color. I select my. Now let's do some magic that you can see. For making clouds, it's hard, but in magic tools you can get a cloud. cannot cover my name, but I have to, so I'm covering my name. I will make sure I write my name after. See, it is nice, right? I'm forming a cloud. Whoa, these are like bubbles, but I use them like clouds. Now let me show you and make some grass. You can change the color of the grass. No, you cannot. It can just be green. So I have made grass. So what am I missing now? Can you know? Two things I'm missing. What am I missing? Correct. Flower and a house. Correct. Flower, house, rainbow. Don't forget that. Only tree, cloud and grass? No way. Flower first. Flower, house and rainbows. You know what's my best magic element means the thing? Let me show you. This one. This is the second one. The first one is this. Comes in colorful. And my second one is this. It comes in rainbow. Okay, let's delete this. And now let's make a flower. Where can we find flower? Here. You can change the color of them. So I selected now red. So in the lotus or in the circle it will come red. Now the thing in the flowers, I can tell you one. So if you press this and hold on like this, the lines, you can see the lines. Okay, so it will come like that, stretchable. I don't know, but I think you don't know. But I know this. I have not searched anywhere. First, one time I was making flowers, so I pressed on the button and did like this. So magic happened this much big, so I noted like that. So let's make some more. Let's select a different color. Done. See this flower you're seeing, right? It's some bended. It's bended. Now let's make a house. Blocks, bricks. This is called bricks. These are small bricks. It will take so much time, but I have an biggest bricks. Let me show you. It will take this much space. Now let's do it. This is gonna be hard. It's gonna take some time, but no worries. I'm enjoying this video. And 1 second. No, let me tell you the last. Okay? Get ready and see this video till the last. Okay? In the last, I'm going to tell you something that you didn't do. Okay? Now let's do this. Now it's done. I know it's not like a house. This is some type of stairs, but no worries. So I'll use paint now because now I'll use some, how about light brown. So I use a light brown. And now we will fill it with tattoo. Oh, see, like this only happened. I have done some mistake, I think. That's why it came whole brown. See, like this only mistakes can happen. So I'll just close it. Careful, okay? The whole thing will be the color. Now let's see. See, it came. Now let's fill these. Now, as you can see, in every house there's a chimney. So let's make a chimney. And how about make that with gray, light gray color? Light gray. So I'm making a chimney. Oh my god. Oh, nothing happened. Yes, I used the fill one. We should use paint. use black. The smoke coming from the chimney. Now let's use some magic. Now what does Mitch see? Correct. A door window. And a door. This doesn't need to be filled. And a window. Sorry, it came like that. See, there is some gap, right? So I'll fill that. Now, as I told, the day has finally come. You know why? Because I'm going to use some rainbow. Well, you have also seen this rain. Rain means it comes like raindrops. If you press a little, it will come one raindrop. And if you press it and roam around, many will come. I'll show you that later. Now let me make first a real rainbow. And no, it will really not come like this it is small, you know. Now I'll upper that and make another nice rainbow. Now my favorite rainbow, I'll use it down. The rainbow sparkles can come and sparkle the world. So this one I told you my first one, right? So let me do this one for you. Where should I do? Let's do it like this. See? The color. You know where the color is coming from, right? Magic. These magic tools are the best. And you know what? One more. Can you see about this rainbow something like ripples? So see this, it will come like a hole. And see what this one is telling. Click to make ripples appear over your pictures. But it is cool, awesome. Right? It is nice. Whoa, the whole world is you know one thing who this is afraid of? The witch. The two words I know. It is undo and redo. See, I pressed the undo. What is redo? He's not showing his face. And if I press redo, see, he's tapping on his head. I was thinking that redo was his first unfavorite and undo was his second unfavorite. Now, I'll save this. I already have one, so I'll remove this. Open. See, this one I made, but I spread it all over the tables. First, I'll show you my favorite ones. This is chess. I know how did I made it. It's simple. No, I don't want to save it. Do you see this eraser? So these boxes I made like this. And the black boxes, I don't know how. I was thinking, how did I make it? So I forgot. So let me show you another. How did I make this? Should I tell you? Wait, let me do it. Back. This white paper. How about we use black? Now I know how did I make this chest. The background I've kept in black color. So let me show you. If think this is black, let me show you black. I kept this black, right? Now from eraser tool, I'll do like this. Oh, it is coming purple, right? Because the other real background was purple. If I keep it white, it will come white. Like that only I did it. Like this. Okay? Now I was showing you that one. So let me show you. See, I pressed one dot, this many came. So let me show you another. Whatever we draw, it will come the same. See, it is amazing, right? Anywhere, the places are just same. So thank you for seeing my video, and subscribing is never been easier. Subscribe and you will get all the notifications if you press the bell icon. Thank you. Now I am quitting. How to quit means in the line tool it will come like quit. And the stamp, I guess you will see that. Let me press a stamp. You can hire the stamp or photo, means if I keep all, see, it will come like big. See, it is coming big. So clearly keep in this. Woohoo! So these are the stamps. This he does when it's redo. It's the same picture. See, the picture is same. I love this one most. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. And subscribe my channel. Like all my videos. Bye.